Okay, here is an example of a round trip. So I've got this app kicked off, logged in, and went to this thermostat. Alright, now we will query the API, and what does it say? It says heat. Now we will, using the automation, just flow, not flow.api, we will set it to cool. Set heat cool, we'll set it to cool. Tap it on the thermostat, and then we will see it reflected, tap it on the app, then we'll see it reflected on the thermostat. And we'll query the API again, and it says cool. Unfortunately, the server, the API, is returning the status before the thermostat actually even gets the message. So we'll set it to heat, see it change on the app, query the API, it says heat, that's good, but the thermostat, and there, thermostat only then got the message. So clearly we're testing the server, but we're not necessarily testing the thermostat. I even tried unplugging the thermostat, and actually we can do that right now. We can unplug the thermostat and set it using the app, and it will set on the server, and the API will reflect whatever we set, but it's not a true round trip all the way to the thermostat.